It's a good day to work in the garage. Hello. You know, going back to that bug guard shirt for $16, and it looks like it is permethrin soaked, and it's good for 50 washes. You know what? I didn't plan to buy anything today, but I'm totally gonna buy that. For the summer, that's gonna be awesome for trail running. That looks pretty easy. I could build that for less than 80 bucks. "35 inches. How much? 35 by 72 by 21-ish, 21 and a half. The idea of the day is I found this super nifty outlet plug at Fleet Farm this weekend, and it's actually made for like boats and fish houses and stuff for charging batteries. So my idea is to drill a hole through the van and put this on the outside, and then I can plug an extension cord from a generator or an electric power source into this on the outside of the van, and then have this live plug, which I could then power up my cabinets, or even just my radiant heater in here, or whatever I want. So I thought this was going to be a pretty easy deal. Well, I got the top trim piece off. It just snaps in other than for the seatbelt bolt. Here's just a good thing to talk about too. You can see that I've already lined the interior of the van with this Reflectix insulation, and it really makes a big difference. I have slept in the van with no additional heat source down to 5 degrees above 0 Fahrenheit. Well, I also have this space back here, which would be single walled, and that's right underneath the taillight assembly. And if I can fit the 2-inch drill bit through there, although it's a little curved, so I'm not sure how, I don't know if that would actually work out or what. I almost need like a straight. No, it's fairly straight actually once you get in there. So that would be, I think it would be like right here. Yeah, I think it would be like right here, which actually wouldn't be too bad. This is the hole saw that I bought. It's 2-inch, and that's what the directions say, is to get a 2-inch hole. Drilling a hole through your vehicle. There's just something about it that seems inherently wrong. All right, let's unpack this bad boy and see where it even fits to begin with. Oh, this makes me so nervous. Okay, well, if I put a hole through there, it should work. Uh-oh. This might not be good. Ooh. All right, well, before we go all the way into a 2-inch hole, maybe I should make sure that that is where I want it to be. Yep, that looks okay from inside. But are we going to be able to get through with this? Will be the question. So far, so good. Oh, that was easier than I expected. Oh my God, I just feel sick to my stomach right now. So now, well, we have a nice big hole there, and it looks pretty flat. And definitely I have access from the inside. So far, so good. What do I need to do? Well, let's see if it fits. For one, where did I put the, now where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, my garage is such a friggin' mess right now. Okay, so, as you can see, I have access to the interior. I should put a bunch of insulation in here, actually. I don't know if I'm going to need to. All right, moment of truth. Momento el trutho. And yes, I know I have to take the tape off, but just gonna, part of me is just nervous about going that far. Okay, well, so far so good, right? You know, if that flop's open, I should probably put that upside down, because then it will always, gravity will keep it shut. Okay, so far so good. That's gonna work. Now how bad is this gonna look? Oh, not too bad. So far so good. Ah, looks pretty good. I wonder if I should put some tape around that. No, actually that's the plastic will cover it. Look at that. Look at that. So this comes with 3 little screws, which I don't know if they're sheet metal. They should be sheet metal screws because it's kind of made for this application. All right, let's see where we're gonna mount this bad boy. Where's it going? Where's it going? All right, so we should probably put some silicone around that. Any good anymore? I think we'll put extra on, and I think it's maybe been froze or something. I don't know. I can clean that up. Put the screws in there. River, you're kind of being a pain in the butt. Go on. I think this might work, people. Those sheet metal screws are actually biting really nicely into the van. I don't want to strip them out though either, so I don't want to go too hard. For the most part, I think that looks okay. What do you think? The seal could be a little better, but I think it's okay for now. I think we're okay for now. Okay, so now we've got the plug in out there. We need to put the jack back and get the trim back on, and then see how this is gonna go. Okay, so the jack is in. All right, so that is that. Okay, just got to put the trim up. Oh, that's right, we have to take the top off to screw in this part. Yeah, look at that, I can even see the holes. Amazing. Oh, don't drop that. This has to go up here. All right, that should take care of that. There, look at that, we have electric. All right, we're gonna get the vacuum, we're gonna clean this up a little bit, and then we're gonna go get the heater in here, and we're gonna plug this in, and we're gonna see if it actually works, which there's no reason it really shouldn't. So, wow, I can't believe how easy that was, and I have put that off for so long, just because I was really nervous about drilling through the van. I mean, nobody wants to drill through the sidewall of their car, right? I mean, that could be a little prettier, actually. I don't think the clips are clipped exactly right, but I'll work on that in a little bit.